fie mo Sompa 93.1 so nia no sia boy ma mu nyina mo atwo ya kwakwa asem bia no anamre so ya baba so mo sa no sia kase bo ansamo do de ba ni de makochi no bi eni democracy hub na wa ya kire ya wo de hye so awo nkramantam wo no ya tesa posifo akire nipa no edu baako sanso ana enai panyipa bi dia to electoral commission nim wose ballot no a eno na je se wo mkeka pepesi bomu awie kira na ntokwa ne ade sisimuo no bibia ya bafo nti wo wasa bafo obetumi de ade djuma na yero abanadmo na so de ato Ghana fo na chitafo nyinanim se mo bia manakoma ntutu kura sanse nei won na lawyer fo gusuo da ebo adwuma se ballot paper no ne din ebetumi abaso bi afei kanema panyero John Dramani Mahama so and to about Guswada and Muya de Aquapimu on Zama, one and my for an pennyform cabby womb, and so Akoshia. Why in some old Abrapam ya de wonu nyina ho sempa abatuja me amatena se a mebeka kan samidia mawo medin ene akosia ajewa akode boaten afai ansam no ne nchiremu ankasa eni oh my Ghana mu no se kwaba se bibi nkoye no se enipa bi no sode se won be ye kire na wo de ati adekode no se ya ban na se mpo bibi atesa no a Ghana mamra na ma ho kwan pefe sasa ni pakuo no beko oh my Ghana posifo akache akoyi won ma sutire sane be ya waya che na hyase akopem na wiye no betumi ade akire yi pa na ekuo bi ya ofra ho se democracy hub ania enansane ne ana won mo ye ya se won baba ye o ya kire de tia ban sanse anu abi won mo nkoyi ekura ye wasa ban no tumi hwe na osiesie na anu ada ye ode o ya kire hyehye so no anano da tosumienu ya waya kire sa ba so e won kramantamu na panyepa ya wodi waya kire nanim aye lawyer e Oliver Baka Vomawo ana wodi animu ya wo ma formate won mu gomu ye yankwa wi kire na sanema bi ya trapo ma posifo de won pujimu a ya ka se wo kire nipa na makomako edubako enipa du bako a wa kire wo mo no ntete ya nsa ka kire se wo baba sire wa ya wanya fihye na duasia mienu wono so kan wo bio ya posifo a kire no na enam so Ghana Police Service adwumako no de atodwa sasane na ne omasi bi ka kona no ya ya de sanse wo mamu ye nimpa fe sase ko ba so bi ya kire Ghana Police Service bo ho ban so wo ya kire enkonko tete obi fa hodie so na so wo modie no de na ne oma aya trapo ye nanipa dubako aposifo a kire wonom.
I do believe both the filing and even the balloting for positions could all be digitized, and it will save us all time and it will save us all the drama, on the proviso that it won't be a black box, but the process will be subject to an audit by a credible independent accounting firm.
Abusiamon fa anchawei ananke abomodian sa yebenya Ghana Police Service woman no ade amao na eno achi no Director of Public Affairs at the Ghana Police Service admako no LCP Grace ansa akofi wono so akasai ya wochiro mo se wo hwemo pa no a enipa maako du ba ko no a na won mo yo ya kira na se bo ya cheche won mo no afabie no na won mo tietia o ma Ghana ya sumdue ya e wo so e wo enkramantamu pa ebiem na traffic ya hodo bia na wo mama na bankramantamu ane ade na nya asem keto ma na wo akwakohia sa Ghana Police Service wo mo hwe na mra atumi ya dwuma Ebra Director of Public Affairs de Ghana Police Service LCP Grace ansakro fi wakasa no say enodi tuja
ensure security, law and order. We therefore urge them to once again consider the 7 locations that police had proposed to them, and that today we would not allow any impediments within the area of the 37 intersection. We will ensure that there will be free flow of traffic and that the commuting public can commute freely and go about their business without any interference. This morning, we once again emphasize that the 7 locations are still available, and if the organizers will consider, police will be more than ready to provide the necessary security for them to undertake their exercise.
How did you serve them?
We are all here on the field and we have observed, all of you being witnesses to the fact that the demonstrators once again tried to impede traffic, attempted to park a vehicle to block the intersection. Some of them tried pushing away police barricades and even some of our officers. As a result, the police was compelled, in the interest of law and order, to effect the arrest of the perpetrators. We will continue to keep the peace, and our assurance to the good people of Ghana is that the police are here and we will fulfill our mandate of maintaining security, law and order without any hindrances whatsoever. I would have to check the numbers, and at the appropriate time we will update you accordingly.
There's an early...
I was your way Ghana Police Service near Tier 1 Mekano Director of Public Affairs, LCP Grace and San Akrofi. Ya kwansanfo from na Professor Kwakwasari. Wadne juma ewa America memu ya professor ya anya senkuma kra. Na wade atu gya wase na wiase nyina dane ne ho. Aja kwa bi krase amfra ne tilapia nti wiase asesa. Enam so nti wo sere Electoral Commission se. Womo yo munyo ma no ma ye ne pa. Ana bibia no ya be so. Ye betimi atena so de juma ma no ye. Anya fere ye baba ya balotin. Ne akwose sankra ta begu awie kira bebobo. Afei na nipa bi no monte won wase na de ntokwa na mentime wase ne ade eba beba enam saya so nti na no ada balote no a Electoral Commission ya na dawro mo ko besra wanya bibia wa ba fo so won ya no koso obehunu ne nneoma nyina wo bohye hwa number de mama no na ese eno so no woda e wo ballot paper no so enam saya so nti wo sese ko base de ye adwuma ka bebo pa ama kwan bi so krampo no Electoral Commission atumi anya sika.
I do believe both the filing and even the balloting for positions could all be digitized. And it will save us all time and it will save us all the drama. On the proviso that it won't be a black box, that the process will be subject to an audit by a credible, independent accounting firm.
I was aware Professor Kwaku Asari and your turning cancer what your futu Emma Electoral Commission. Na enipa makuma kuduba kwa Electoral Commission yi one mudi ere free a young woman mu ya sebre aka nipa makuma kudumi nsano na People's National Convention PNC amanyoko no oro Bernard Modna no ka ho bi pa na abapai ade ato dwa semo bia manakoma ntutu kura na momu ne arusie mam ho sepamo sanso won nabamu muyo waso ya Ghana ni mapaya wonimu mra na Ghana mamra so ye adwumanti wadani omanyina no afa mamra no kwaso na wawasa na loyafo a womota na chi se kono wometuma ye bibidi abo ne pa enam saya so nti no wose nei aloyafo no gosuada ne Electoral Commission ekasa sana be ye na ne kire yada ne din ebetumi ababalo paper no esubi.
Is a public holiday. And so immediately after the public holiday, we are in court and we'll compel the Electoral Commission to do the right thing. They, as I mentioned in page 137, 138 of their document, they can create errors.
So what will be the way forward for the PNC? They're not able to secure your candidature?
No. There is not an impossibility in this matter. I am telling you that in 2016, the PNC was similarly disqualified. We found our way onto the ballot using the legal processes. So I am telling you that I am next president of Ghana. I will be.
I not just said na Erica sepa I was work catch ye. Say one no anche oba bedi mampanyini waye next president na se mampanyini anche oba tena akonya so na sam ane ken oro Bernard Mona People's National Convention PNC amanyoko no wono ane A2 franka de ama wonom kana mampanyi oro John Dramani Mahama so gusoda ebon to amayeka sei wono nto obona kwakopie mu awonsema na ebro kopie mu no ana wode akwakoto dwa ekere mu se wo hwemo pa no area no mo wonsema won mo bre efara kwa ho sensam so pa abawo betena akonya so ase watwi nani ase waten so wontei ene wo ye ne kromu de na yewura mels apen so kra mpo no wo hyase senka anzema kwan wo ye bi de abo mampuntunyuma so timi aba ho ewi okira no John Dramani Mahama so betena akonya so wo sa to aso ana Ghana fo kwoto abade tia no a sanyo no nyina gigu ye na wo ka no de akira won mo sanya bɔhye hunu bi ene wo na no fafa ba fa won mo ho sane be ya obatima baba tena banyo no so na sempo akonya no so ntia na mamuo no sane ye be ya awoyele ngase ye betumi anyam mfasode e wonsema ane ne mpata mo ne fafra mu nti ane wo hyase a woto sa na moyi enam sa ya so ntena na no ahemfo won mo kabie wo mo wonsema nyina aka mo moyi na afia bato no wono John Dramani Mahama omontoma no
all the roads in the Nsema area. It is just unfortunate that we did not finish before we left office and a new government took over. And my understanding is that most of those roads have been abandoned and the whole oil and gas enclave road project has been stopped. Nana Awolaimo, I want to assure you that a new NDC government that will come in January next year will resume the oil and gas enclave road so that you can have roads that are befitting of an area that is hosting a very precious asset on behalf of the people of Ghana. And so you can be sure that the roads that you mentioned are roads that...
I was your way. Aya, ora John Dramani Mahama ne yeteren kanenzema and what is some way akotuja. Na tetra ne dema NPP awanyoko no wasantema ayoro Bernard and Chiwosiako wana so den to abon na musa ya wode akwa piem na no kusasifo ya wono ewa asempa na ya akwa hia ti nkomo won no de kwakoto dwa kire se ene ya woto okwadwa no wayi mirika abawo betena akonya so wanya hwekura no what if senior higher ba one district one factory afenso so agenda 111 awatumi sisi ya sabia hodo de amagana fo pa enam so nti wo sre yene no kusasifo sa fia bato no won kayo sa yewra Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia number 1 no anu wada ye wase wormoto ma ne nkunidie eye NPP amanyoko no dia na wormo hye bose anioma wodo ye abawe ba ye wahyase nyina no won betumi awiawie na fei wasa de foforo kran so asaka ho
aya ya brantie ya ye friend of Frederick Champoin minimum no oyo obi a odonipa sasa ne nsam kura no a no wayidi ama sade ye yewura adabo ne motra fefefe no obi a no se wo kwa enye ya sense de obedi wade enti yewura adabo o se me de madaruma o se mengu ansa ana me ya hwehwe obi obedi made enti abra metiase yi me mese o se mehwe na me de obi atena me na so na so ochia matretre no amena wu no kwan a ye fa so ye tu anamaw e wo parliament ho ene kwan a ye fa so ye de lobby age ne made ba enti we de yewura adabo no a ne mpaibo ene de South Frederick Champoin wode na ba enti ayade a o tena wo no no o tena ne sere so na wode ababedi MP no enti adwuma sumu ane obi a wansum bia no wososo wonya obi mane mo abaso anaso wonya obi mane nsomo enti ayade a Frederick Champoin wasompa
anu achi no na mra shebo joni a wote akonya so yewo Francis Menu wadabo wano so kasa ye ya wotu are hye no nyina afo kire se nei apanyepa ya wo baba sina namu na wa so ba prema shebo jwa akonya ade amane manfo owura Frederick Champoin ya yero chama wontumi dana die no wo ba sra pa sa fi ne manfo hwe na wontu abama no
umia na se dia sem ton so ne yeyi a mo hwe se de ba umia te ono kwa ni campaign a wo ye no oduru nananom wa himfi a wo da fom na wa chia wo mo wɔn de to no so ba ama mo nyini because ba wo mi a wontimi nyɛ saa deɛ no mmom sɛ ɔno mom ba ntɔkwa ne saa nɔɔma no nyinaa ɛbɛgyae ɛfiri sɛ ne kurom na ɔbɛhwɛ sɛ biribi a ɛkɔ so nso ɛbɛyɛ yie sɛdeɛ chairman kaeɛ no Fred ɛyɛ makɔda ana me amede ne tena me nanso masɛm pɛpɛpɛ na ɔkaeɛ no mebɛ sɛ mewura nsa no yɛsi makonnwa mebɛ sɛ mete aseɛ na sɛsɛ mɔnya mpimienu ɔte hɔ a na ɔte me nan so baabi a memɛkɔ biara na mene ne kɔ baabi a ɔbɛkɔ biara na metaa n'akyi ne yɛatumi agye mmoa no de abrɛ mo
so ne atene nkai ayemra sabajani Ora Francis Manu Adabo ane atene nkai yakwa sanfofo mu andesi amanyoko no se wokɔ ma sabajafia abajoko ya wo hwa o ma Ghana yengomesua ho nsam so hyase na wo so adwene de fa wo se na be o ma Ghana yengomesua no ebagina de na so pa ranking member ya wo mu Adamadom kuma no ya Dr. Clementa Park na wo de atudwa a kire se kwan ya ban wo ya fa so na enuanom a wo dada scholarship so won krofo amaman so waya ye wo mo nyame no kwasem ni asefem wose mu awerho amabe mu kora mpunyaye a anka obesan so ba won mu nchi sanse ba bia ne ha no wa ba besua de na so so obeki aye scholarship o era na kwakọ pie nkrofo amaman so aban na sede ye wo so ye no anya sa no ye enam so nti won mo ka de akere Ghana aban sese ne refi no wo mo kakai won mo se Ghana fo bi no wo hono a won wo scholarship ye wo mo nkrofo amaman so ye won wo kire wo mti na ne kire yata won ko won mo mo
interaction with a good number of the students who have been affected, who have constituted themselves into a situation, indicates that for the UK alone, we are looking at 927 students. The classification is 785 of them are pursuing master's degrees and 142 are pursuing PhDs, who are certainly under stress, many of them traumatized, a number of them confused, not knowing what to do given their current predicament. According to the students themselves, if you were to look at the issue of their tuition alone, if you were to do the figures based on the years of enrollment, the type of academic program, they estimate that they owe collectively 17,613,000 euros. That is what they owe. And the situation is very dire to the extent that some of them have already been withdrawn by their institutions where they are studying because of government's failure to pay their tuition. Others are on probation. Others are being processed for deportation. And this is only the tuition. This does not even include the 27 months of outstanding stipends. Stipends is the money that government remits to the students directly for their upkeep. So the situation is very dire, and we are calling on government to immediately mobilize the resources to pay the tuition fee. And after that has been done, we also ask that government should renegotiate with the institutions so that where students may have been withdrawn as a result of the failure of government to pay their tuition, they are reinstated so they can continue with their studies. No excuses from the government, because these are students that we know of. These are students that government itself has granted a scholarship. And it is my understanding that the fees and stipends are usually included in budgetary requests. And as far as I know, there is no time that the government has come to Parliament with any budgetary request that we have refused to honor. So the government ought to find a resource to ensure that they pay the tuition as well as the stipend, so that our young men and women who have gone to seek knowledge to enhance their skills and their talent come back and contribute, rather than the current situation where we hear that some of the male students have to sell their sperm, and some of the female students are now engaged in very, very disrespectful relationships and conduct just to survive. It is an indictment to the Republic of Ghana, and we ought not to be humiliating our young men and women the way we are doing because of government failure to meet its obligations to them.
I was your way Dr. Clementa Park and your turn and can wear a ranking member. Adama Abajokoya show my Ghana young machine with some so I will rush the fee. Your concern for from an home. Motor Transport and Traffic Department MTTD ya wo suhumu diapa sa woman Ghana Police Service admekona ka bom ya no ne kire yata wo mo ye hwehwemu dia fa ne panso a arawo sem kase ato wono mo ewo suhum kwantempo no so anam so ma wono mo ti nano no ewo nse do na manfo ba kai ya ba se ne nansanie ana ebo mane ya se suhum enipa num aya wono mo ya mema ya mienu ya ma one more chinana no wansia do wabra na VIP bus ya registration number IRGR 7632-24 na wo free tamale ana ni chemu ewon kran ana wonefo tanka bia eno so no registration number UW UE 9644-22 ekoko hia ya homache no 9 pa mu ena no mementa no ena saye so amanipa nso amono mo ma won fremu a asam no kokko ya homache sam ani arehosem na entity di adwumakuo no ana o ma Ghana posifo de abase won maka bom sansa twetwe won ma so se abaka ba saboso miansam yakwakode bronya na arehosem kase sey atumi asi enam saye so ntino LDO1 Alex Kenate one in some trofo akasa. Why member Adema Ghana for service PR team no one mokasa Adema dum judgment ko ye wo my Ghana emu. Na one in some trofo kasa and watch church mono to a one apostle A2.
Truly an accident happened and 7 people unfortunately lost their lives. As it stands now, 5 males and 2 females. Out of the 5 males, it includes the driver and the passenger of the fuel tanker, the driver of the VIP, and then and then 4 other passengers of the VIP bus. Injured people, the injured passengers were sent to the Suhum Government Hospital for treatment. So the total number of people who were injured were 31 people. Out of the 31 people, we have 14 males and 17 females, and then we had the 7 people losing their lives. So, apart from the people who lost their lives, the rest are currently receiving treatment at the Suhum Government Hospital. And we are hoping that we shouldn't record any further loss of life at the hospital. So they were both traveling in opposite directions, and then the fuel tanker burst a tire. So it forced it to veer into the lane of the VIP bus, therefore causing a head-on collision. And so the driver and the mate died instantly at the scene upon the arrival of our officers there. And then the driver and the co also gradually died at the scene. And then we were able to transport the other injured people to the hospital quickly. And I might say that our officers from Suhum and Chebi did a yeoman's job because they received a call at 4:38. And then got there around 4:50 and quickly got to work and did well to extricate the people. But for their human effort, we would have recorded many more casualties because the victims of the VIP bus were trapped. So kudos to our officers, our dedicated officers all around Ghana, especially Suhum and Chebi, coming into the accident. So the fuel tanker had fuel in it. The fuel was leaking into the nearby bush, and then the unfortunate thing, or the warning that we keep sounding to people, was repeated where people were seen siphoning this fuel. It's unfortunate that we've lost humanity in Ghana because this is a situation where people had lost their lives. The people were trapped in the bus, we were trying to get them out, and people were so fixated on siphoning the fuel and blatant disregard for their own safety, bearing in mind that the fuel and then the fuel, oxygen, then the heat from these vehicles could have easily started the fire, and we could have recorded a very big tragedy on our hands. So it's unfortunate it's happening like that, and we entreat all that when issues happen like that, they should learn to adhere to our.
LDO1 Alex Ken Nater and Na Okasaye. I was your honey yet another decasia bono SC. Asada PSA Quadiama Cosia Somwa Coco Vern Cachando. Ya Grace Boozy, Reverend Michael, Happy, and Afe for the Diamond Swa. Mr. Brown, Ransford, David, and Afe PK. One man bought me chidon pa. I was a Facebook TV no so, and Afe radio no soon nata. Yabat me a cohobie, and I want you now was said I'm was see. Me I was somebody said them a catcher. Egwin someone you now was so dema war. Meeting any. Akosia ajewa kwa dia boaten ya sorso kwa pomde wonsem etwaso
21st clinic aye sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia